Welcome to a new consumer goods review. Today we have another coffee by Nestle Corporation. This one is Nescafe Gold Mocha Cafe au chocolate. I'm really excited to taste this because I actually never tried mocha before. I have seen it in Starbucks menu and other cafes as well, but actually never tasted it, so let's go ahead and open this up. Let's take a closer look at the package. Right from the bat we can say that it looks really nice. It's really classy. It's reflecting the light very nicely, like it's called Nescafe Gold and the package is also golden. I like this design. Simple and classy and looks luxurious. And nutrient values, if you want to check Nestle logo, you have seen this. It's in many different products. And yeah, let's see. Expertly crafted with naturally sourced ingredients. That's good. Here's the guide. I already boiled water, so I just have to pour it in. It's good. You have to cool it down to 85 degrees. Don't put the water when it's boiling. You have to cool it down. Otherwise it can mess up the flavor. Yep. Let's open it up. Other flavors. I have tried the latte. That one is really good. But these ones, maybe I do the next review of them. Ooh, let's see. Nice. So they're like the other packages that I unboxed before. Very nice. And 8 in total, it seems. Yep. Let's go ahead and open this up. What do they have inside? Easy to open, that's good. There it is. What will the color be? It looks just like the other Nescafe coffees. I would have expected that it's a little bit more brown because it's chocolate, but I guess not. Tasting like coffee already. Let's get some water. Here we go. Don't put too much water, otherwise it's not gonna taste good. I think that's good amount. This is like IKEA cup, so it's gonna be like the full cup is like 3 deciliters maybe. So we have around 2 deciliters here, I think. Maybe a little bit more. Ooh, look at that. Nice. Okay, I'm gonna wait until it cools down. And I will return to you in just a second. Okay, the coffee has been cooled down a little bit. Let's go ahead and taste it. First, the smell. There's a little bit of coffee in there, but it's mixed with this other smell. Yeah, this is chocolate. Doesn't smell like regular coffee. Okay. Let's go ahead and taste it. Really weird. What is this? It tastes like a crappy hot chocolate. Like, what is this? I'm really disappointed by the flavor. Mocha, delicious blend with naturally sourced ingredients. Like, I don't taste any coffee in here. It tastes like this coffee, hot chocolate. Like, what is this? Is every mocha like this? I'm happy that I never ordered mocha at Starbucks or other cafes, because if this is what the mocha tastes like, I don't like it. Like, I was expecting it to taste more like actual coffee with just a hint of chocolate. But this one, it's way too much chocolate. It tastes more like hot chocolate for me. Yeah. I'm sorry, but Nestle, I don't like this mocha coffee so much. Like, I gave your oat latte 10 out of 10, and also the, what was it, vanilla latte, I think it was 9 out of 10. But this one is definitely not getting even close to that. Yeah, just disappointed. What can I say? I think this product is 5 out of 10. That's the lowest I have ever given. Like, I was expecting it to be as good as the other Nescafe instant coffees, but I was hugely disappointed by the flavor. It's just scrappy, like crappy hot chocolate. It's not even coffee, it's crappy hot chocolate. Like, yeah. But anyway, now we know, don't buy mocha, it's not good. Buy the other ones like the oat latte and vanilla latte, and you know, there's the other flavors. 3-in-1, that one is the best. Nescafe 3-in-1, that's like 10 out of 10 coffee for me. But this one not good. But anyway, thanks for watching, and I will see you guys in the next review. Make sure to hit like, comment and subscribe, and don't buy this coffee, not good. Thanks for watching. How do I do this?